Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. So you want to learn how to do black calamari rice? Well, this is a very unique, exotic, and unknown seafood dish. This dish has it all. It's simple to do, fast, aromatic, looks and tastes amazing. The first thing that I always do when I'm cooking black calamari rice or any other paella is to chop tomato, onions, garlic, and peppers. And I'm gonna chop them very, very fine. I mean, like, I'm trying to mimic a handmade sauce out of fresh vegetables. Black calamari rice is also known as Arroz negro or Paella negra. It is a traditional Spanish dish made with squid, a short-grained Spanish rice known as Calasparra, and squid ink. In addition to the color in the rice, squid ink adds salinity. It makes for an impressive festive presentation. So right now what I'm doing is just working the garlic. I'm gonna chop it super fine because I'm gonna infuse the olive oil with it, so that olive oil have that garlic flavor to stir fry and saute the whole black calamari rice. I'm gonna take the garlic, I'm gonna place it in my pilon or a wooden mortar, and then I'm gonna pour some hot Spanish extra virgin olive oil. This is part of the process of getting that garlic flavor and pass it to the olive oil. I will take my mortar and I'm going to start squeezing the garlic and complete the job there. This will make a great spread for bread and to season any other dishes too. Now take 2 to 3 tablespoons and warm it on a frying pan. Add the onions, the green or red peppers, roasted red peppers. Spanish piquillos are amazing. If you can find them, get some. And add the tomato. Saute until soft and tender, about 10 to 15 minutes. Reduce the heat because you don't want to burn the onions nor the garlic. And then start adding the squid. I'm gonna add the squid and saute between 2 to 3 minutes. So I always like to start stirring the sofrito and the squid just to get that flavor from the squid into the mix of the oil, the tomatoes, and the garlic. I just want to spread that flavor all over. So because our next step is to start adding the rice, and this is very important. Add the rice, spread it real good there. This is the step that we are going to cook the rice, but most important, we are going to infuse the rice with all those flavors that we have on the paella pan. I may add a little bit of more squid ink or an extra can of squid under ink, a pinch of saffron, and a pinch of pimentón de la vera or smoked paprika. You're gonna stir it to combine, just to make sure that you simmer it and just combining all those flavors that you have there, and that rice get infused with the flavor, okay? And at the same time it's getting cooked. So we're gonna stop stirring the rice at this moment. I think that rice is infused with all those flavors. And don't move it anymore, don't stir it anymore. Just let it cook for over 10 more minutes. You can garnish it, do decorations, you wanna call it, with some sweet peas, some piquillo peppers or red roasted peppers. Find a good bottle of wine. I recommend you some Spanish Rioja and some lemon wedge, and buen provecho. I hope you like the video.